Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pharmacist Michael, and today we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing in the health and wellness world: collagen supplements. You've probably seen collagen powders, drinks, or even capsules popping up everywhere lately. But what's the deal with collagen? And why is everyone talking about it? Well, stick around because we're going to explore the benefits of using collagen as a supplement and what you should consider before adding it to your routine. First off, let's break down what collagen actually is. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies, making up about 30% of our total protein content. It's a major building block for your skin, hair, nail, joints, and even your gut. Think of it as the glue that holds everything together. As we age, our body's natural collagen production slows down, which is why we start noticing wrinkles, joint pain, and other signs of aging. So, why take collagen as a supplement? Here are some of the key benefits. Probably the most well known benefit is for your skin. Studies have shown that taking collagen supplements can help reduce wrinkles, improve skin hydration, and even boost elasticity. This is because collagen supports the structure of your skin, helping it stay firm and smooth. Collagen is also essential for maintaining the health of your joints and bones. As we age, we might start to feel stiff or experience joint pain. Collagen supplements can help by providing the necessary building blocks to maintain the cartilage that cushions your joints, reducing discomfort and improving mobility. If you're dealing with brittle nails or hair that just won't grow, collagen might be a game changer for you. It provides the amino acids needed to build keratin, the protein that makes up your hair and nails, leading to stronger, healthier growth. This might surprise you, but collagen is also great for your gut. It can help strengthen the lining of your digestive tract, which is especially beneficial for people with conditions like leaky gut syndrome. This can improve digestion and reduce inflammation. Now, while collagen has all these amazing benefits, there are a few things to consider before you start adding it to your smoothies or coffee. Collagen supplements come from different sources, like bovine or cows, marine or fish, or even chicken. It's important to choose a high-quality product from a reputable brand. If you're pescatarian or have dietary restrictions, you'll want to opt for marine collagen, for example. More isn't always better. Stick to the recommended dosage on the product label. Most studies use 2.5 to 15 grams of collagen per day, depending on the desired benefits. Remember, supplements are meant to complement your diet, not replace whole foods. Maintaining a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients is crucial for overall health. And before you start incorporating collagen into your routine, it's important to be aware of the potential side effects. While collagen supplements are generally considered safe for most people, there are a few things you should watch out for. Some people might experience digestive issues like bloating, gas, or a feeling of fullness after taking collagen supplements. This is usually mild, but if it becomes bothersome, try adjusting the dosage or taking the supplement with food. Depending on the source, some collagen supplements can have a strong taste or smell, especially those derived from marine sources. This can sometimes cause nausea or an unpleasant aftertaste. To avoid this, you can mix collagen into flavored drinks like smoothies or coffee to mask the taste. If you have allergies to certain animals, like fish, shellfish, or eggs, be extra cautious with collagen supplements. Allergic reactions can range from mild symptoms like itching or rash to more severe issues like difficulty breathing. If you suspect an allergy, stop taking the supplement immediately and consult your healthcare provider. Collagen is a protein, and in rare cases, it might interact with certain medications, especially those related to blood pressure or kidney function. If you're on any medication, it's a good idea to check with your doctor before starting collagen. This is more of a concern with low quality collagen products, but some supplements, especially those derived from marine sources, can be contaminated with heavy metals like lead or mercury. This is why it's crucial to choose a supplement from a reputable brand that tests for purity and safety. So, while collagen supplements can offer numerous benefits, it's important to be mindful of these potential side effects. Always start with a lower dose to see how your body reacts. And if you have any concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. At the end of the day, like with any supplement, it's all about finding what works best for your body. The benefits of collagen can be amazing, but they should be weighted against any potential risks or side effects. If you're mindful of these considerations, collagen can be a valuable addition to your wellness routine. If you're considering trying collagen or have already been using it, I hope this video helps you make an informed decision. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so always listen to your body and make choices that support your overall well-being. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips. I'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences with collagen in the comments below. Until next time, take care of yourself. My name is Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.